Here is how to add tags to your Pinterest board. So tags are going to be hashtags to any of your Pinterest boards or any pictures you post. So what you are going to do is you are going to go to the plus sign on the bottom of the page. You are going to go to start creating now. We are going to start creating a pin. I'm going to allow it to have access to my library and choose whatever photo. Once we choose the photo there, we can pick which board it is related to, and then we can click tag products. So you can tag in products that it is related to, or if you just want to tag what it is, in the description we will use hashtag to say what it is. Click return, and then we'll click on create. Now that is posted, and you can see that the hashtag on the bottom here is what it is tagged in.